On this video, I will show you how to create a dataset. First, go to a business manager and click data source, and there you can find datasets and pixels. Then create, then add a new, name your dataset as you want and click create. Then go to event manager to see your dataset. First close this option, go to dataset and assign yourself as an admin. Control, full control and assign yourself. And also you want to assign some other people, you can also assign them. That's done. Then go to connected assets, click connect asset and connect with your dataset to your ad account. Select your ad account and then add. Done.